Foldable phones have historically suffered from major pain points like weight, poor battery life, and most notably the inner screen crease. However, the OPPO Find N6 solves this, delivering what is likely the flattest foldable phone in the world right now, thanks to its new generation titanium alloy Tianqiong hinge featuring micron-level 3D printing technology and the new Tianqiong flexible glass that prevents irreversible plastic deformation. The inner screen maintains an incredibly flat state, not just out of the factory, but even after heavy, long-term use. Alright, with the crease covered, let's talk about the Find N6's experience as a phone itself. This time, OPPO didn't blindly chase absolute thinness. The logic is a 225-gram weight, 4.21mm unfolded thickness, and 8.93mm folded thickness. Holding it in hand, it feels comparable to a standard flagship slab phone. The thinness is just right. The ID design continues the classic circular aesthetic of mainstream camera flagships. When placed flat on a desk, it does wobble slightly, but honestly, it's rare for anyone to use a foldable completely flat on a desk anyway. The camera module has a slight protrusion, which actually improves grip when holding it closed. The glass back panel uses a frosted finish, which feels incredibly smooth and completely resists fingerprints. Before getting the phone, I actually preferred the non-black/white colors that aren't too flashy, but the Golden City colorway on this Find N6 really gives off that Find X2 Pro vibe. I feel it strikes a great balance with the phone's premium business aesthetic. It has an unexpectedly classy look. Which of the three color options for the Find N6 do you prefer? Now that the crease is handled, the overall screen experience is excellent too. The Find N6 has an 8.12-inch inner screen and a 6.62-inch outer screen, which is the perfect size. The outer screen feels completely natural for daily messaging, making phone calls, and the inner screen is great for watching videos and working. The most praiseworthy aspect is the display brightness. The peak brightness for both the inner and outer screens has been upgraded to 1800 nits, a 30% increase from the previous generation. Under the bright sun, the screen remains crystal clear and doesn't wash out. Moreover, the lowest brightness for both screens can drop to just 1 nit. In terms of performance, the Find N6 is powered by the top-tier Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, paired with OPPO's Tidal engine for smart performance tuning. It won't overheat or stutter. In actual tests, Antutu scores exceeded 4.1 million points, with single-core scoring 3524 and multi-core at 8150. With these numbers, it effortlessly handles both daily apps and heavy gaming. Playing Genshin Impact with maxed-out graphics provides a stable 60 FPS without dropping frames, and the device doesn't get overly hot. The large foldable screen naturally dissipates heat well. For Honor of Kings, running it at a full 120 FPS is silky smooth. Paired with the massive unfolded screen, the gaming experience is completely maximized. For battery life, the Find N6 has been upgraded to a massive 6000 mAh battery, the largest among OPPO's foldable lineup. For regular daily use, it easily lasts a whole day, and you'll still have plenty of charge when you get home at night. You never have to rush to charge it during the day. The charging speed is also incredibly fast. With the 80-watt wired flash charge, our tests showed it hitting 20% in just 10 minutes, 51% in 30 minutes, and a full charge in 66 minutes. Emergency charging is very convenient. It also features 50-watt wireless flash charging, so you can easily top it up by setting it on a wireless charger on your desk. Speaking of ColorOS 16, its experience on a foldable screen, while maybe not the absolute best, is definitely the easiest to pick up. The panoramic virtual window split screen feature is something you'll think is amazing once you try it. 3 apps can be stacked vertically or horizontally. In an office setting, you can check documents, take notes, and reply to messages simultaneously, sending your efficiency through the roof. Entertainment-wise, you can read guides, watch new episodes, and grind in a game all at once. It's incredibly satisfying. Sometimes when you have too many floating windows open, a 4-finger pinch instantly organizes them into split screens. Another 4-finger pinch dissolves the split screens back into free-floating windows. It is buttery smooth and extremely intuitive. There's also the complimentary OPPO AI stylus. It doesn't just replace your finger for fine operations, it's packed with features to boost your efficiency. This stylus is essentially the ultimate AI wand. Draw a circle and it instantly generates a standard chart. Draw another circle and it generates different styles of intricate illustrations. What's more, it charges magnetically. Placed in its dedicated phone case, it fully charges in 16 minutes. You can pick it up and use it anytime without any battery anxiety. In addition to the OPPO AI stylus, ColorOS 16 features highly useful AI functions integrated throughout. Features like AI memory, AI one-click erase, and AI article/video summaries are all available with a single press. They automatically extract key information, generate summaries, and save them to your knowledge base for review anytime. When attending a meeting, AI voice recording transcribes audio to text and generates a summary instantly. And of course, for cross-ecosystem connectivity, OPPO is truly one of the top Android brands. You can seamlessly use the Find N6 to answer FaceTime calls from an iPhone, use an iPhone to remotely control the phone's camera, or even cast the phone screen directly to a Mac and control it from your computer. Their integration with the Apple ecosystem is uncompromising. For the camera system, let's switch gears and show you some sample shots first to give you a feel for it. The camera module on the Find N6, compared to standard slab flagship phones, holds its own. The main camera is a 1/1.56-inch sensor with an f1.8 aperture and supports OIS. The ultra-wide and telephoto lenses are both 50 megapixels, with the telephoto even supporting close focus capabilities. OPPO's unique single-frame color restoration technology is also present. Even in default mode, the imaging quality from the three lenses is well maintained, especially with the high-resolution 50-megapixel main camera. The purpose of the 50-megapixel sensor is more to ensure there's enough light captured to accurately record those hard-to-capture scenes. Just press the shutter and leave the rest to the Hasselblad processing. Whether zoomed in or out, it retains plenty of detail. If you want images with more texture and mood, don't forget the Hasselblad Master Mode. I can't quite articulate the exact tone of a Hasselblad Master shot, but looking at the samples will help you appreciate its charm. Naturally, if you're not a fan of this color profile, that's completely fine. Everyone has their own preferences. As for the aspect ratio, the standard 4:3 is essential, but the photo ratio should match the content, like the Super Y X-Pan mode. This is a mode with true narrative depth. The emotional value it adds during the shooting process is unmatched by other modes. Alright, that wraps up our experience with the OPPO Find N6. If you're someone who has been holding out for a completely flat foldable, then this device, equipped with the latest flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, a massive 6,000 mAh battery, ColorOS 16, and the Hasselblad dual 50-megapixel camera system, is definitely suitable for the vast majority of people looking to dive into foldables. It takes the foldable screen from something you had to handle with extreme care, enduring various shortcomings, to a device you can use freely and confidently as your everyday main phone. This genuinely improves the tech experience. Now, does the OPPO Find N6 have what it takes to be your first primary foldable phone? See you in the next video. Goodbye!